Flashpoint, igniting your English vocabulary. Hello, English explorers. Today, we're diving into a term that's as dynamic as it is common in English, flashpoint. This phrase has multiple meanings, which we'll uncover together. Whether it's in the news or in a casual conversation, understanding flashpoint will add a spark to your language skills. The term flashpoint comes from chemistry, where it refers to the lowest temperature at which a liquid can form an ignitable mixture in air. It's a crucial safety measure in handling flammable substances. Just like a substance can reach a flashpoint, a situation in everyday life can also reach a critical point where it can ignite or escalate quickly. Beyond chemistry, flashpoint is often used figuratively. It describes a moment of high tension that leads to a significant event, especially in conflicts or disputes. For example, a heated argument might have a flashpoint that turns it into a larger confrontation. In global news, a flashpoint refers to a geographic location where tensions are high, and conflicts could erupt at any moment. It's a hotspot that catches the world's attention, like a disputed border between countries or a city with ongoing protests. Now, let's put flashpoint into action. When you read or hear about a flashpoint, it's indicating that there's a potential for sudden change or conflict. Use it when you want to describe a critical juncture that could lead to significant developments. And there you have it, the various facets of flashpoint uncovered. From chemistry labs to global politics, this term holds power and significance. I hope this video has enlightened you and added a new spark to your vocabulary. Keep the fire of learning burning, and see you in the next video.